welcome to another QAssign or to how to video. In this video, we're going to see how we can set up QAssign to send MS Team webhook notifications using dynamic actions. Ortoo's dynamic actions provide us with the ability to interact with applications outside of Salesforce. After installing dynamic actions, we're going to enable MS Team webhook notifications from Dynamic Actions Setup Assistant. Next, we're going to configure an assignment group so that a notification is sent on Teams channel every time an assignment is made from this assignment group. For this, we're going to create a new action rule. We're going to keep the processing order as it is. And in action type, we're going to select MS Team webhook notification. The trigger on is going to be lead assign and trigger type as always. Here we're going to provide the webhook URL of the MS Teams channel to post notifications to. So we're going to paste the URL, and next we're going to provide the channel name. Next, we're going to specify the notification message. And we can also add additional information by adding merge fields. We can check on configuration. This option specifies whether we want to stop processing of other rules, so we are going to leave it unchecked for now. Now we're going to enable the scheduler to start the processing of this assignment group, and we are going to wait for an assignment. As we can see that now an assignment has been made, we can go and check our Teams notifications. Here we can see that we have received the notification in the Teams channel that we provided. We can view the record by clicking on View Record button, and it is going to lead us to the record in Salesforce. Thank you for joining. I hope that was helpful.